What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Snake815, and I'm back with another video. Y'all new to this channel, man, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share, comment, get notified when I drop these videos, man. Believe it or not, I'm in Illinois. I came to visit my family. I had my ticket planned a long time ago. Kind of like a big mistake. I should have waited because I came up here and it was supposed to rain while I was up here, and the temperature dropped. So not only that, but I got kind of screwed. Snowing. As you can see, it's snowing real bad here in Illinois. I'm trying to holler at a couple of my friends while I'm here. See if somebody will let me. Look. Car don't even want to pull, guys. I'm in this Challenger. And I ain't gonna lie, I do not miss the snow here in Illinois. I love Texas. I love Illinois too, because that's where I'm from. But I do not miss the snow. For real, like, you see this? Snow. I left Texas to come to a snowstorm. Wow. Like, this is crazy. It's snowing like crazy. And I ain't gonna lie. It's like, this city is where I'm from. And it's like, it's so like draining. It's depressing. Like, they took a lot of stuff away from the city and turned it into like a dead city where it's really nothing to do. There's nothing to do here. You gotta find stuff to do, but it's really nothing to do here. Look, kids still going to going to school. Kids still going to school. Well, I say, like, yeah, I know Texas different stuff, but yeah, the kids still go to school here. But I didn't think it was gonna be snowing like this. Wow. Then you have to try to make it up the hills. Truck right there struggling. Y'all can see I'm sliding. That truck, little Jeep or whatever it is, struggling to get up the hill. Even this car struggling to get up the hill. But we made it up. I'm actually probably gonna picked up a little speed going up, but we probably gonna turn this way because I don't want to be stuck on But yeah, I left Texas to come visit my mother, but I didn't know the weather was gonna be like this. I actually planned my ticket a long time ago, so I tried to plan ahead, but I didn't know the weather was gonna be like this. I thought the weather would be good like in March, but I forgot we in Illinois, so you never know what the weather gonna be like. Y'all ride with me through my city. Look at the houses, man. The houses look dead. Like, oh my God. There's really nothing here to do. You don't have no recreation stuff. You have really nothing to do. For real, for real. You have to make something to do. Or go out of town and do something. But it's really nothing to do here. Gotta be careful though. One thing about it, if you're in Illinois, you know how to drive. If you're from Illinois, you know how to drive. That's how come I don't mind, like when I'm in Texas. Cause Texas people, much love to Texas, but they can't drive. They definitely wouldn't be able to drive in nothing like this. But yeah, car sliding. Okay, the light green. I gotta make that light. I'm actually gonna go get me something to eat too. Love Texas to come to a blizzard, snowstorm. But y'all ride around with me, man. This building been here forever. I think that's like apartments or something. I wish they would like do something with this city, bring it back, put some stuff here. Y'all building a casino here because you talk about you trying to get people to come, but why would I want to come back? I mean, like, there's nothing to do. That's the Rock River. Y'all can't see it, but that's the Rock River. That river claimed a lot of lives. But thank y'all for riding with me through Rockford, Illinois. Loves Park. I know while I'm here, I gotta get me some beefaroo, and I gotta get me some Pig Minds, which is a vegan restaurant, while I'm here. Yes, indeed. People be scared to drive too, like, drive, man. You gotta be scared. There gotta be some older people right here in this Cadillac, man. I knew it. But I'm a trooper. I don't mind driving. I love driving. So, hey, I don't mind, but Midtown suck. This is crazy. All this stuff, man. I remember as a kid, that building been there still. Uncle Nick's right there. Uncle Nick's been there. If you're from the Rock, then you know about Uncle Nick's and stuff like that, but yeah, I just wish they would bring this city back to life. It's dead. A few people actually call it Dead Rock. And I don't blame them. Look, people just hanging out. in the snow. I feel bad for the people that's homeless in the snow. But let's get it. I'm gonna cut it short because I'm about to be pulling up close to my OG crib.